feed it in gently. Just feed it in gently. So not too fast, gently. Like blow on the dust to get it out of the way so you see where you're going. Okay? And then you stop and then you turn it around, keep it down and around. Lovely. Going all the way. That's it. You're off. Yes, getting good now. So what we've got is a beautiful piece of work, and that's for your cosmetics. Yeah.
My name is Cecchi. I did a search for makeup. So here we put a makeup, and here we put a mirror or the phone, and here we put the foundation and the eyebrows.
How did you cut it out? Was it?
By using
The pillar drill?
yes.
Yeah. So
And then I do it to the foil to make
File.
sure
to smooth it, the whole. Yes, that's a lot of work. And then the cleaning up as well. The colour is wonderful and it's functional and it works. It's completed to a high standard. You've got felt on the base. And then you've got this here. What's this for? Oh, put foundation stuff in there. For shaker. Tell me about that one. You can tell the camera as well.
It's a storage box that uses felt to stabilize it on the dust so it doesn't move. And you have different storage types to store small things, pencils, and anything you want.
Fit a phone in there as well.
Yeah, and maybe notepads and models maybe if you want.
Accessories.